you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Bookmap. And if you want to use Bookmap, first of all, make sure that you download Bookmap on your PC. I created a video how you can do that, so please check out that video if you didn't do that yet. But right now we want to see a chart in Bookmap or some data. So the first thing that we are going to do is we click right here on the plus icon and then right here first select Bookmap data. I want to do spot. You can also do futures or perpetuals. Now let's do spot and then we select right here the symbol that we want to see. So let's see right now BTC to US dollars. Now this is fine. Let's do right here the Binance option. And then you can decide right here the historical data, the tick size and the size. So this is fine. And then right here on Bookmap, you need to subscribe to see the data. So we subscribe right here and now he is building right here your Bookmap chart. So right now it's also saying no data received, but you see right here that he is building and building and building. And now we need to wait for a few seconds and then you will get more information. So right now you can see right here on the right, if you look right here, the order book, and here on the right, you see right here, the session range volume profile. And you see right here, two lines, a green line, that is the bid line, and right here, the ask line. And if you want to see just a line, you can zoom everything out like this, and then you can find right here just only those two lines. But if you want to throw it back, we do it on 60, something around that, and that is fine. So right now, if we look to the chart and we do right mouse click, we can also select right here some heat map settings where you can create yourselves a nice heat map right here. Now, if you do right mouse click again, you have right here chart settings, some session start settings, and you have a lot more options that you can use right here. If we go right here to file, you see here that we can create a new workspace where we can do another subscription to some more data. Now we can save this workspace, we can record this workspace, or maybe export the feed right here. If you go to the right, you see connections where we can configure some more connections to Bookmap. Then right here we have settings where we can change right here the colors of everything here in the information that we are seeing. If you go back, you have more configurations. Time zone, you can change the language right here. And you have more options that you can use right here. Also reset all chart settings. So when you change something, you can click there and then do reset all chart settings. Then right here you have some help for information that you need. Then right here on the left side, you can also trade. So if you want to trade, we can click right here on Simulator Sim. And then what we can do right now is we can create ourselves a nice position on the market. And then we can try a trade right here. Then you do send. And now we can start trading right here on this time frame. And then if you can see right here, this is the position that we took. So this is in a nutshell what you can do with Bookmap, and seriously it has a lot of options, but I showed you in a nutshell what you can do with Bookmap. If you have questions about Bookmap, please comment it down below so I can help you out right there. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.